Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that is a total game changer for pet parents. The smart automatic pet feeder with not one, but dual cameras, a real-time two-way audio, AI pet tracking, and a ton more. Whether you're a cat lover, a dog dad, or a multi-pet household, this might just be your new favorite gadget. Now, full transparency, I was sent this product for free for the purpose of making this video. So let's start with the standout feature, the upgraded dual camera system. The main camera offers 2K 3 megapixel resolution with a 135-degree wide angle, plus infrared night vision, so you can check in on your pet day or night. Seriously, their image quality is crisp. The second camera monitors the food bowl, so you can remotely see how much your pet has eaten or whether it's time for a refill. The feeder also comes with the Clog Butler service. With AI pet detection, it records your pet's daily activities and feeding sessions in both photo and video format, and stores it all in the cloud for you to view anytime. It's like a smart baby monitor, but for your fur baby. And the best part, you got a 30-day free trial to test it out. Just a heads up, it doesn't support SD cards, so cloud storage is going to be your go-to. Now, one of my favorite features is the two-way audio. You can actually talk to your pet from wherever you are. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can comfort them or just check in. Hey buddy, let's not do that. Let's just eat the food. Okay, let's eat the food. Plus, you can record a 10-second meal call in your own voice. It's a great way to maintain consistency and give your pet that familiar mealtime routine. And if your pet's a little sound sensitive, don't worry. The volume is adjustable and can be turned off entirely in the app. Setup was a breeze. It supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so you gain a fast and stable connection with less lag. Pairing is done via Bluetooth, and I was connected in minutes. You can also share the feeder with up to 6 family members or friends, so everyone can pitch in on feeding duties. Perfect for a household with multiple caregivers. Now let's talk about the feeding control. You can schedule up to 10 meals per day, and each meal can have 1 to 15 portions. That's about 8 grams per portion. Now that makes it easy to match your pet's dietary needs in every stage of life. And for added peace of mind, it's got a dual power system. So if there's a power outage, it automatically switches to battery mode to keep feeding on schedule. Just remember, you'll need to grab batteries yourself. They're not included. Now, clogging can be a pain with automatic feeders, but not here. It's got an anti-clogging design that keeps food flowing smoothly, perfect for kibble sizes from 2 to 10 ml. Thanks to that secondary camera, you always know how much is left in the bowl without needing to open the lid. So is the smart automatic pet feeder worth it? Absolutely. Between the smart feeding controls, HD camera, AI tracking, two-way audio, and seamless connectivity, this thing does everything besides walk the dog. So if you're someone who travels, works long hours, or just wants peace of mind while you're away, this feeder will be a lifesaver for both you and your pet. If you are interested in the automatic pet feeder, we're going to leave a link below. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their life. Leave a comment below what your favorite feature was, hit that like button, and of course subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.